from unloader to data operations manager. Thanks for joining us today, everyone. What I really want to talk about today is how I transitioned from where I started to where I am and the entire course of my career. So for those of you who don't know, I actually was unsuccessful in college, and life happened, and then I got married, and then I had to get a job. So I started out unloading trucks in the back of Walmart 24 years ago, 25 years ago. I lose track of time. Started there, did some things, worked in the warehouse for 20 years, started learning Python 13 years ago, moved over to SQL because of a vice president that I had met. So, but what the point, and we're going to go into all of these and all of these steps and all of these parts and pieces and what I see coming and what I think you can transition now, or you're going to be drug along into data, because it is coming. You're not going to have an option. At the institution that I am now, I'm going to be very vague because of the sensitivity of the job that I have. So, but it is everywhere. Everyone in the organization is knee deep in data. And I would say over half of the organization who does not actually interact with data, they have to out of necessity and have learned SQL. So it is coming. So I want to encourage you now, before you get behind, is that it is going to be a must. Now, AI is going to help you, but if you get ahead of this, you will become more valuable. So, all right, that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please share, like, subscribe. There is more coming. We're going to be getting into processes. We're going to be talking best practices of learning. We're going to talk about best practices of running a data team. We're going to just get into all of this, but I can't say enough. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.